Hello everyone, this is my review of this microphone cable. This cable is an XLR female to USB male connector. It fits any standard XLR male connection on a microphone, and the USB can be plugged up to your PC or laptop, so you can connect the microphone directly to your laptop if you want to. The cable has a Velcro strap to keep it wrapped up and so it doesn't get tangled. The cable is also 6 feet long, so you have plenty of length to move around with. And it works pretty good when you hook it up to your microphone and PC. So I highly recommend this cable, and I hope this review helps.